Hey, science enthusiasts! Are you craving hands-on experience that goes beyond the textbooks? BioIcon Academy presents a series of hands-on training designed to elevate your scientific prowess. So, let's dive into the details of our upcoming hands-on training in January. Hands-on training on RT-PCR. Unleash the power of molecular diagnostics through RT-PCR mastery. Date and day, the 10th to the 14th of January. Next is RT-PCR-based pharmacogenomics and precision medicine. Decode the future of personalized medicine. Elevate your skills in molecular diagnostics. Dates, 12th to 16th of January. And conventional PCR and gel electrophoresis. Dive into the basics of molecular biology. Unleash your inner scientist. Dates, the 14th to the 18th of January. Fourthly, hands-on training on diagnostic biochemistry and immunology. Unlock the secrets of diagnostics with precision. Date and day, 18th to 22nd of January. Then, hands-on training on medical, pharmaceutical and water microbiology. Dive into the microscopic world that shapes our health and environment. Date and day, the 16th to the 20th of January. At last, hands-on training on next-generation sequencing, NGS, focusing on molecular diagnosis, MDX. Explore the future of genetic exploration and revolutionize molecular diagnostics. Date and day, the 20th to the 24th of January. Secure your spot now and join us online or offline at BioIcon Academy. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to redefine your scientific journey. See you.